Silver Stag Pyro here again. We got a new video for you, just some fun little 200-gram cakes. Got my pyro partner Lucy again. Lucy, what's the first one we got?
Big shark.
Big shark. All right, so this is red blue dahlia with golden weeping willows, red blue dahlia with white strobe, and then we got some other colors with chrysanthemum crackling and a 3-shot finale. This is by Kripton Fireworks, which is a brand that I have a few different cakes of, but I've never actually shot Kripton. But from what I understand, they should be pretty good quality fireworks. We'll do that one last. We got Diamondback. This is 16 shots. Flaming balls with reports. Lots of color, golden tails, crackle flowers. That is Dominator Fireworks. Next, I'll just do this one. We have Little Bad, bad words. Little Bad A there. This is also by Kripton Fireworks. You got the good picture? Yeah. I'm gonna read it first here. A lot of golden willows, strobes, blue with golden willows. So that one should look pretty nice. It's 9 shots.
This is what it looks like.
Good job. All right, and Out of Orbit. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
No, there's this one. I didn't do this one. All right, Out of Orbit. This is by Hot Fireworks Complex. I never looked it up. I think it's Hot Fireworks, right? Hot brand. I always get it confused. I don't ever actually know how to pronounce that brand. But there's a look at it here. 12 shots. Lasts about 20 seconds. All straight. And I'm not seeing an actual description, but there you go. And then last one is Raptor. This is by Kripton Fireworks. And let's take a look at the effects. Brocade crown with chrysanthemum crackles. So, and these little ones are pretty heavy, and they're large bores. Let me see if I can get the top off this one here. We'll also save on the paper mess. Check out the bores in these cakes. Those are nice size for something so small. So these should actually be pretty nice effects for the size of the cake. But yeah, we're just going to be waiting until it gets dark, and then we're going to be setting these off, and I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you out there.
Bye.
All right, we're going to go ahead and get some of these 200-gram cakes up in the air here. This one is Raptors. Sorry, I got dirty messing with that brick. Raptors 9-shot Kripton Fireworks. Here we go. Whoa! Jeez! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my gosh, that was wild. Okay, that one was a good one. I'm gonna save these other Kripton ones for last, because that was sweet. All right, let's do Diamondback by Dominator 16-shot. Nice crack. Nice. Whoa. Oh my God. Wow, that crackle covers the sky. That one ended just like the other one, that huge amount of crackle. Wow. Okay. See what the next one's got for us. All right, next one is Out of This World by Hot Fireworks Complex. What's a shot? 12 shots. Pretty large bores in these too, so should be pretty awesome. Here we go. Whoa, nice tail. Okay, whistle. Wow. Woo! There we go with the crackle again. Nice. Oh man, these ones are great. So far I would get every one of these again. All right, what should we do first? Big shark, little badass. Let's do little badass first. We'll save big shark for last. 9 shots. Woo! Nice. So loud. Woo! Oh man, some of those are still falling to the ground. Right there's some. Wow, that was sweet. All right, we got one more for this video. We are going to be doing Big Shark, 9 shots by Kripton. Whoa, jeez. Oh my gosh, man. Wide angle. Wow. I switched it to wide angle for the end there because they're so large. All right, well, that's it for this video, guys. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.